Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and I am doing a product review video. I have here from Clear Finish Glasstastic. This is supposed to be a phenomenal glass cleaner, and I'm going to be putting it to the test today. We have a work van in a company my husband works for. From time to time, I will clean up a vehicle from a former employee and get it ready for the new driver. You can see here we've got a lot, it's just gritty. Like, glass shouldn't be gritty, but it's gritty. We've got a lot of GPS, like suction cup holder marks, and you can tell that the previous driver smoked. It is heavily soiled on the inside, so to show you, we've got a good bit of film on our glass. I don't even want to be doing this without a glove on, but you can see we've got a heavy layer of film on the glass, just a lot of streaking, dirty. So this is putting it to the test. Normally I would have to go after this with a magic eraser. So I want to see, yeah, this is gonna be fun. So I want to see how this product holds up against some heavily soiled glass. This is a perfect example for those of you who are struggling to get glass streak free, don't want to waste a lot of time. I have here a gallon of spring water. You could use distilled water. This is just what I had available. And what I did is, it's 128 ounces. I took 16 ounces out of this gallon bottle, and we're just going to dump the contents of this entire concentrate into here. So now we have a gallon of glass cleaner at our disposal. Alright, so we've emptied everything. We're going to put this in here. We're going to give it a little shake. Not going to go crazy. Just going to make sure it's mixed. And then I have here my Miralax spray bottle, and I'm going to do this with two hands, but we're going to put enough to fill the bottle, so that way we have everything mixed and ready to go. just got done showing you how I use Glasstastic Glass Cleaner to clean this front windshield on this work truck. The previous driver smoked in it, so we had smoke film and just, you know, kind of the plastic baking off, and then you get that residue on your front glass shield, and that's kind of from whatever chemicals that are in here baking off, and they have nowhere to go but to your glass. And so if you don't clean your glass, you know, eventually you're going to get that nasty film, and then if you smoke, it's going to just add to it the nasty film on your front glass. And I also did the outside glass with it. Couldn't have been easier. Using it in direct sunlight, fantastic streak-free results. This is the fastest I've ever been able to clean the glass on these work trucks. Normally it takes me 20 minutes. It took me 5 minutes to do in and out. I want to show you up close and personal. Here you can see we've got a lot of just nasty, greasy, I don't know what that is, but it's kind of greasy film on the inside of this glass. You can see we've got the streaks from where the glass goes up and down. Let me show you the outside. I know glass is kind of hard to show, but you can see we've got really dirty glass. You can just see here we've got a lot of pollen. For some reason on the inside there's like water spots. I don't know if there was just condensation or what. But you can just see it's pretty nasty. I mean, that's just from my finger wiping it. So I'm going to show you up close. Forgive me for the shakiness. Hopefully you guys can see. I have here the auto fiber glass flip towel. There's several variations of this. This is my favorite. Has a waffle weave on one side and almost like a dreadnought on the other side. Fantastic for scrubbing and then doing a final wipe. Because I've used one side already, we're going to flip to our fresh side. But I also have, I like these spider flip glass towels. I picked these up from McKee's 37. These are really great for kind of doing initial scrubbings as well as a final wipe, but because these are so heavily soiled, I'm going to scrub with this and then do a final mop up with my dreadnought. I could have, you know, essentially, but I don't like getting these super heavily soiled because they're my favorite. Plus, there's a lot of tight crevices on this, and these ones are really great for getting in those tight spaces. We're just going to come in here, wipe up, same on this side. Man, it got all that nasty stuff right up. Coming around to the other side. Because it's evaporating in the sun, we'll just go over a light mist. That got rid of all the water spots. Spider. And just as easy as that, forgive me, pull you in close, show you our results. All that nasty, greasy, sticky stuff that was down here, we've been able to get that up. If it wasn't for, you didn't even see a reflection before. Well, you wouldn't even be able to tell if it wasn't for the reflection that you're looking through glass. So here's through glass, here's not glass. Glass, not glass. So I am digging this. This is top of the charts, guys. Seriously, this is my new glass cleaner, especially when I've got like heavily soiled windows. It just takes all the work out of cleaning glass. Fantastic. So I'll put the link for the glass flip towels for any of you that are looking for really quality glass cleaning towels. I'll even put the link for the Marilex sprayer as well as the Glasstastic Glass Cleaner. You just dilute the 16-ounce bottle, take 16 ounces of water out of a gallon of water, put the concentrate in, mix it up. You've got a gallon of ready-to-use glass cleaner that can cut through smoker's film, whatever, chemicals or, nasty contaminants that are in your interior that gas off and sit on your gas. It took care of greasy residue that was down here. It removed water spots. What more could you want from a glass cleaner? So, very happy. I hope you guys try it out. I don't get anything for doing videos like this. I'm not sponsored or anything. I'm just trying to help any of you out that are struggling with cleaning glass. I know I've done dozens of videos in the past on different tips. It all comes down to a fantastic cleaner and clean microfibers. You want to constantly be flipping to a fresh side. If you have a heavily soiled microfiber, it doesn't matter what cleaner you use, you're going to have streaking. So you want to make sure that you have a clean microfiber. That's why I like these flip towels, so that you can constantly be changing to a new side and try to help eliminate streaking. But you combine a really great microfiber with a fantastic cleaner, and it's just going to make it so much easier. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to follow us for any future videos that we have coming out. Make sure you hit that bell off to the bottom so that way you're notified when we have videos coming out. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. We will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.